Hello dear colleagues. So with the help of this short video, I would like to make it clear that what type of the information is to be uploaded on the QS portal and how to access all the information which is required for you. So first of all, I would like to show you this tab here. So this is QS Hub, which we need to log in with the help of these login ID and password. And then the second tab which I would like to show you, it is an important tab because here you are having various files and the data which I would like to share with you. So if you look, there are many files. The first file, which is the data appendix, this will give you the details that what is QS ranking and how we can retrieve the information about the QS ranking. For example, if you have any query, detailed query, in that case you can direct to this file. There are many files, but I would like to highlight only this file, which is fee and miscellaneous. If you open this file, in that case you have this admission browser. So all the information about the fees is given in this information browser. What you can do, that you can just go to this page, which is 53, or any other page where the detailed fee structure of a particular program is mentioned. So this file will give you the details about this. Okay, so let's see if I am making control F fee. In that case, I have this fee for the hostels, and then if you go to the program, okay, so we would have all the details about the fee. So if you look into this particular page, which is fee structure for academic session 22-23, so you would have all the details related to all of the semesters, and you can take the information from here, that what is the fee. Make it sure that you calculate it rightly and you have your own backup to give the details of the data which you will feed. Okay, so this page is important. This is the 60 page. Perhaps you can find more information on the fee on the other pages as well. Okay, and if you need the international fee, in that case you have to go back. In that case you have to browse this which is the international information. Okay, so if you look at this file, then you have all the information about the international students, what is the fee structure, how they take admission into the PhD program or master program. So all the details are given over here in this case. No, so these are the files which are there. So in nutshell, if I would say, then these two files, the one which is the fee file, this fee file, and the second one is this information browser for the international students, that will be most important two documents for you from this folder. I would like to share with you this allotment which was done to you. So what we will do, that we will, for example, a particular faculty member, number of the programs which are allotted to a particular faculty member. For example, Dr. Sudhakar Singh Chauhan, these programs are given to the faculty member, and he will enter all the details related to these programs. Okay, so I would like to show you one by one that how to enter into the QS interface and how to get the information. So let's go to the another tab. Here I have, this is the QS Hub, and if you look into the details of this QS Hub, we will provide you all the details. So if you log in into this, in that case, what type of the information do you have? Let's have a look at it. No? So it's taking a while. I don't know why. So okay, so we are in. The interface looks like this, no? So if you look at the left hand side, you have various tabs. The first tab is institution, second is profile, details, and overview. If I click this institution, and after that I go to the profile, then all these information are there. Okay, so these are pre-filled. Okay, we have already done a lot of homework in this case. So for example, the tabs are general, overview, departments, subjects, and program. And we are requesting you to look carefully these programs in this case. No? So for example, if you come to these down, so what you have to do, that you have to go to this program. Okay, let's say we are going to the program. For example, when we are going to these departments, the departments are there. We have added all the departments. So don't touch this information about the departments. Don't touch this information about the subjects. So only the main point is that you are going to enter the information about the programs. Even in the programs, we have entered like 87 programs already, and total 114 programs are to be entered in this case. So if you look, all the programs are there, information is also given over there. So what is your task? That for example, if I am taking an example of somebody, let's say here, in this case, if you look at maths, okay, I would like to enter the information for the maths department. So this math department is assigned to Dr. Amit Kumar Gupta. So this is, for example, if I am saying MSc Mathematics program, this is given to Dr. Amit Kumar Gupta. I'm just taking an example, nothing to do with the actual person in this case. So what I'm saying, this is the MSc Mathematics program, and my task is that now I should go here, and first of all my task is to check whether if there is any other information already uploaded into the portal. So what I will do in this case, that I would like to type math, okay, math, because I am looking at the mathematics department. So in the department column, I will write math. It will take a while to search, and then you would have, you look at these 00 entries. Okay, you have 00 entries over here. Now it is clear that I have to fill the information about the all the programs which are related to the mathematics department. Okay, so now I will just erase it, and there is another tab which is add programs. When you add this tab, if you look into this tab, then when you click it on, then you would have this type of the interface that will come out over there. Okay, so if you look into this tab, you have different things. Okay, program highlights, program details, entry requirement, financial aid, program statistics. Okay, and if I do more, then you would have like, let's say, campus details, etc. Now I am, let's say that I am entering, going to enter the information about MSc Mathematics program. So what I will do, that I will write here MSc Mathematics. Okay, mathematics. Okay, I'm not going to fill it up. That is the duty of the concerned faculty to do it. MSc Mathematics. And if you look into this MSc Mathematics, then next is the program URL. Now from where you will get this information about the program URL, go to a tab, type the new GGU website. Okay, go to the academics, go to the schools. Okay, now you are having here the mathematical, and this one is the computational and mathematical sciences. Okay, so click on this department, click on the programs. Okay, so now from here you would have all the information about the MSc program, MSc in mathematics. Okay, so what you do, that you can enter the information from here. What you will do, that you will copy this URL, and then you will paste this URL over here. Okay, so that will be the information related to that program, the program URL. And then you will, from here you will select the mathematics department. Okay, so you department of mathematics, and then you would have the degree name. So now you see that, okay, it is the MSc Physics degree. So you just get this information from here. This is MSc Physics. Okay, and study level, if you look at this study level, it would be masters. And then course intensity, it is full time. Study mode, you have online. No, this is not online, it is on campus mode. Okay, sorry. And then you have the MBA program type. So you don't need to fill this up. Okay? If it is related to the MBA program, then business related program, then we have to look at it. Otherwise, you don't need to fill it up, because the stars, the fields which are marked with the stars, these are compulsory to be added. Okay. Now you come to this broad classification subject area. Okay. So from here you select that, for example, mathematics, if I consider it in the arts and humanity. Okay, so there is always a doubt about it. Okay, anyway we did it. Okay, now from here you can just tap this maths. Okay, let's say that if we are having mathematics or architecture, in which category do you place it? Okay, so your main subject, for example, you can type maths. I'm not able to get it. Urban. Okay, so arts and humanity, and so you would have urban, English language, and arts. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, let me go to the next step, specialization. From here you can step the math. Okay, so you can take mathematics, MA. So it is not like this. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, you would have this main subjects. For example, if you take this engineering, life sciences, natural sciences, let's say if you are having this math, yeah, here you have, okay, natural sciences are selected, then you would have mathematics over here. Okay, so customer subjects, you can put the customer subjects. Okay, mathematics. Okay, no jobs. Okay, then you can, okay, either keep it empty or we will discuss it. No specialization, you can add a particular specialization here. Program description, you can add that MSc program is this and this. You can take the information from here. You go to this department and go to the about the department. You can get the information from this, the initial page here, that okay, you can get the information about, okay, the MSc in mathematics in this has been introduced, and what are the details. You copy that information from here. Okay, some information from here, and then you instead of writing department, you write the program. Okay, name of the program. You can paste that information over here. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, just for example. Okay, and you can edit the information according to your requirement. So what about this new GGU? Because your website, university official website, you can give this information about the new GGU. So what you can do this new GGU. This is the information which is there. Okay, so you just copy it and give this here. Okay, if you want to give email, then HOD email you can give here. For example, if I take the HOD email from here, I can copy it from here. Okay, better to have a GGU email. Okay, but anyway, whatever email you have, no? For example, I am giving this information. Okay, then here you have to type 5 questions here in this field, and these 5 questions you can frame it. How do I apply for X program at this? Okay, in Guru Ghasdas Vishwavidyalaya, then you can have common questions which are already uploaded in other fields. You can have these common questions, make 5 questions in this case. Okay, so duration of the program, duration type of the program, I think these will be okay for you. Duration type. Okay, so for example, you say months. Okay, okay, so you, in the years, you, if it is a 2-year program, then you can say it is 2-year program. Okay, start month, you, for example, if the admission is done only let's say that if it is like month and year, then you can select. If it is in July, the admission is in July, whatever year. Okay, for example, July 2022. Okay, for example, if you are considering it July 22. Okay, so for example, you are writing it this. Okay, and then this application deadline procedure, you look at the National Testing Agency, that when you would have the opening of the CUET exam and when it ends. Okay, so that information is to be kept here. Okay, in this application deadline. Okay, and then the next one is about the month, and this one, fee in currency. Fee, I already told you how to retrieve it. Price information, you can also keep it. Then entry level requirement, from here you would have this information. Okay, so you don't have these tests, no? Okay, so you would, what is, these tests are taken by the students of United States, so we will say own admission test. Minimum score, you can decide what is the minimum score for the test. Maximum, for example, if it is 40%, okay, minimum, you can see it. Then you have the comments, whatever comments you want to give. Entry requirement, so you need, for example, +2. If it is BSc, in that case you have to write BSc in this case. Okay, you have to write BSc physics, chemistry, maths, okay, whatever it is, or BA, no? Okay, so this information will be given like this. The minimum total fees in domestic, and this, all this information are related to the fee. Okay, then you have to, once you will look at the interface very closely, then you will be able to get the information about this, no? Although there are several fields, okay, and students per class, you can see how many students are there. For example, if there are 75 students, we need to enter 75. Okay, average age, you can see from the class. Let's say that if it is 21 years or 20 years, say average year of the experience, percentage international student. For example, there is no student, then you have to put 0. Percentage of the women, that you have to put here. Then average GMAT score, it is 0, okay, because it's not valid exam for us. Average salary after graduation, you can put. Percentage employment after graduation. So this information, campus detail, is also required in this case, no? So you had number of the nationalities in the current cohort. So it would be better to have sit down and to look at these questions and what could be the possible answers of these questions. You can make a separate exercise so that you can understand it well. Okay. So I hope that this is first-hand information. On the other hand, if you look into this, the QS portal, so if you go here, you are having these rankings, no? So, for example, if you go overview, click here, then you are having overview, then you go to stats, okay. Stats, if you look at here, you would have all the information about the Asia sustainability and world university ranking. So for example, if I click on the world university ranking, in that case, what I will do, that I will go here, and this data I will fill this data, okay. So this placement data, I think Dr. Suraj can fill it up, the placement data. But on the other hand, main thing is like I can fill this data, okay. And we are expecting that statistics data will be filled by the all of the faculty members, okay. I hope that to some extent this video will be helpful for you, and I'm not going to make it very lengthy. Okay, just have a good night. Bye.